Hello, everybody. So today I wanted to share with you that Ubuntu is fixing the Wi-Fi connections at the login screen. I wanted to share this article with you so that you could know what was causing those problems and how they were able to fix it. So let me share that with you now. Okay, so as you can see, Ubuntu users frustrated by the inability to connect to a new password protected Wi Fi network at the login screen will be pleased to know that a fix is rolling out. This particular bug affects users of both Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and Ubuntu 24.10. Now, when trying to join a wireless network at the login screen, which requires a password, the password input prompt never appears and the connection fails. So, why does, or I guess it's soon to be did, the connecting to a Wi Fi network at the Ubuntu login screen fail? Well, the Canonical software engineer explains that the login screen in Ubuntu is implemented by running GNOME shell in the greeter mode. When requesting to connect to a new Wi Fi network, GNOME shell tries to communicate with the org.freedesktop.secrets service to check whether the password for this network is already known. But that fails when running in greeter mode because GNOME keyring is registered on one dbus address while GNOME shell only has access to a dedicated or isolated dbus bus. When this fails, GNOME shell aborts the connection attempt. Since the login screen isn't logged in as a user, it can't store secrets or passwords. So querying it to see if a known password is moot. So Canonical's engineers propose a fix. What they did is always ask the user to enter a Wi-Fi password for new connections initiated in greeter mode. The solution was accepted upstream and, after a bit of review, shipped as part of the GNOME 48 release. Now, Ubuntu doesn't backport new GNOME versions to existing stable releases, but it often backports patches, fixes, and other minor buffs as it's done here. Now, the fix is in the GNOME shell 46.0-0 Ubuntu 6.24.04.8 update on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and the GNOME shell 47.0-2 Ubuntu 3.24.10.1 on Ubuntu 24.10. Now, both package updates started rolling out as a standard software update this week. So, if this bug has bugged you, then look out for these updates because they'll be coming out very soon. And all you have to do is just tell it to install the update, and that's going to fix the problem where you can't connect to a Wi Fi network at the login screen. But I hope that'll help some of you that may be encountering that problem. Now you won't have to worry about it anymore because that fix should be coming up very soon, and you'll be able to connect to a network without having to log in first. And when the login also fails, and so you can't get connected to that Wi-Fi network. So I hope that was helpful for some of you that would like to be able to connect to a wireless network on the login screen, especially if it's a new wireless network. If you do have any questions or you just need me to help you out with this to get that package installed, please let me know down below in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you and help you get that package installed. And if there's a video, topic, article, or anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well, and I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you'd like to support this channel, I've included a link down below in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like, did you know that Ubuntu is releasing an update where you can connect to a Wi-Fi network from the login screen? And I'll be glad to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.